So this is the 1928 Classic Yacht Euphemia, and I've just spent some time getting it ready for the boat show, first weekend of September in Victoria. And so I've just organized the shop after having done some work on it for a few weeks. The boat was took it up to Ketchikan this year. So a lot has happened to the boat in the last 12 months. So this boat has got new power, new fuel tanks. The whole engine compartment was pretty much gutted and brought back up again. And so it's now running along quite nicely. The first big trip was that trip to Ketchikan. That went along pretty well. Like I said, when I got back, I had to jump into some things to carry on the project, actually just to kind of wrap it up and finish it. So the project's really been going on since it was put out on the hard September last year. And I would say it's complete now. The boat's in really, really good shape. And I want to encourage people who may be watching this to go down to the boat festival in Victoria Harbour, first weekend of September. This boat and many others will be there, and it's to help support the BC Maritime Museum. And yeah, just to give kind of a sense of what's gone on recently, other than the repower, the stainless steel wire on the railing's been redone. Of course, the loads of varnish and paint both before and after the trip, but it's in really, really good shape right now. And yeah, if you want to come down, have a look at the boat, come on inside. I'd be welcome to have you aboard. Just come down to the show. You'll see some of these gems that are hidden away in boathouses around the coast. Almost 100 years old, this one. The tender on top is 1970s, so that makes it 50-something years old. And then the Penyan car topper hanging up on the ceiling there, the white runabout car topper actually. That's 1950 or something like that. So again, preserving some maritime history here. You got the Seahorse motor which runs, and that's period correct for this boat up here. If you're interested in wooden boats, there'll probably be shipwrights there. There'll definitely be a lot of owners there. And if you used to own one of these boats, or your family owned one, or grandfather, grandmother, whatever, come on down and share your stories. The owners definitely like to hear those. And if you've got photos, bring them along. See you there.